Old flip phones. Old flip phones. Old flip phones. So, yeah, these may not be that old, but I still, they're still 20 to, I don't know what, like, 20 to 30 years old already. Not really that old, but they're on their way. Let's start with this guy. What a beauty. This is a Kyocera Qualcomm 3G CDMA. I'm really mad because this is my 4th time filming this video, maybe. But that's not important because we're filming it right now, and maybe this is the version that you're getting to see. So, first things first, that I've already mentioned in all my filmings, and all my recordings, I have this new inspired setup from DangPods. I took a little bit of inspiration from DangPods. As you can see, the iPad and a computer which was gifted to me, which I just added because I wanted to. Then I have a Dremel, and then an Energizer, and then a Walkman, which still works. I still use it to listen to music and maybe a cassette. But if I would listen to a cassette if this thing worked, but it doesn't. So I can only listen to radio since this is this one. But yeah, let's get started onto this thing. So yeah, so this is the Kyocera Qualcomm 3G, as I've already mentioned. This one, this one's interesting because I've never even gotten to start booting it up. I mean, the person who gave it to me obviously booted it up, but take a look at the cable. What can you tell? This cable may have been already outdated. Hold on, wait a minute. I want to check something. So yeah, after looking into the whole charger thing, apparently this charger, let's see, it's still being sold for the Kyocera. This thing, but it's really old, apparently. Let's see, I don't know. I don't understand charger. I only understand this. Yeah, I need to charge my iPad, but it's weird because if I look at the images, let's look at the images. That's not the one. That's not the one either. What? What are you talking about? Yeah, look. What the? Oh, they're talking about this charger. No. That's the headphone jack as well. That's really common on old phones like that one. What? Oh no. I have low power. Is that the one? No. What is this? I'm really interested. That's very odd. Okay, but let's just quickly look at this phone before my phone shuts down. So what we can see with this one is better. At least, I think so. I also removed the battery, even though this one worked perfectly when connected to a wall. But I'll explain that right now. Why I removed the battery. It's because I lost the charger. I played Snake on this a few times, and I looked through some old photos that were on here. None of them were bad. They were all just like, I don't know, like parties and stuff. Pretty cool. The internet does not work, sadly. This one is way weirder. The Razer by Motorola. It has the volume marker on this side. The I don't know what button. The power. What is that? I don't know what this is. Is this like an action button that we have today? Is it like a moto button? This has a 2-megapixel camera, I think. It has speakers down here, speakers up here, speakers up here, speakers up here as well, and speakers down here. Yeah, this is a very speaker phone. It speaks a lot of languages like Hello Moto, Chinese, English, and maybe even old phone. So yeah, I'm having to end this video short because of my battery. I may film a part 2 of these two guys because I also want to include this man right here. Yes. So, yeah, and we'll just put that in right there, and we'll hear some music from this with, yeah. Bye.